From Creamer Media in Johannesburg, this is the Real Economy Report. The United Nations Industrial Development Organization and its project partners in December showcased Project Imifino at the South African Breweries Ibhayi Brewery site in Gqeberha in the Eastern Cape, as the viable model for effluent treatment and agricultural development in the food and beverage sector. Malene Arnoldi visited the site.
Project Imifino was part of the Flanders government-funded South African Industry Adaptation Project, the first phase of which was concluded late last year. Project Imifino started as an effluent treatment initiative by Tailor-Made Solutions, which, by using ultrafiltration technology by Flemish technology company Waterloo, has been scaled to treat about 250 cubic meters of wastewater a day for direct on-site reuse by the brewery. It's also used for irrigation, for producing about 1,500 kilograms of packed spinach and other crops every month. The project applies a circular economy approach using a green biological effluent treatment system. By integrating agricultural production with wastewater treatment from the brewery, it creates a profitable and sustainable local value chain while producing reusable water for the plant. The treatment of effluent typically involves high energy consumption, the production of waste sludge, carbon emissions, and costly processes, which are all being mitigated with the Imifino process. Tailor-Made Solutions Director Dr. Richard Taylor says the process also allows for the recovery of valuable nutrients from the effluent, which negates the environmental impacts associated with using fertilizer with the agricultural side of the operation. He also believes the Imifino model is replicable to more industrial sites in South Africa, particularly those using anaerobic digesters in its manufacturing or water treatment process. Taylor tells us more about the importance of partnerships to scale these kinds of solutions.
To be honest, if it wasn't for the collaboration, I don't think this project would have ever happened. It all started with the collaboration between Rhodes University and SAB Breweries to get that's where the research started. Then when I came up with the idea of let's take it to a commercial scale and build a wetland and a farm, it was SAB that banked on me and gave me a chance when I had no background saying that I could do it. There was no proof that I could do it before. So there was a collaboration between a small private company and a large private company, and then to get to where we are now with SAB, Waterloo and Unido to get to this stage as well. I wouldn't have been able to get there this fast and to be at the stage where we can go out and confidently put it, roll it out to other technologies. It's really helped, and without the collaboration it saved years. The process has been sped up, and it also gets to put you in contact with other people that are interested about your technology, but they would never know about it unless you've had these collaborations. So I think it's extremely vital.
From Unido's point of view, South African National Project Coordinator Gqeberha shares his insight on the success of the Imifino project and the broader SAHIA project that it forms a part of.
When we started off about 3 years ago, when the first project got launched, the topic of climate resilience in the context of industry was not very popular. So what we've done with this project is to lay the foundation to actually introduce the topic of climate resilience in the industrial sector, but also to highlight the implications of climate change on the industrial operations. We've had a number of successful cases from capacity building initiatives and also the pilots that we are supporting, wherein they've demonstrated technologies that could be used to enhance their climate resilience, looking at the application of renewable energy in their processes. For instance, we've got Tile Holdings who are implementing a biogas project. We are now today seeing an innovative project wherein we are integrating agriculture with effluent treatment. So such cases really do demonstrate that there is potential in actually the uptake of these technologies. And the successes I can go on from capacity building trainings to the pilots that have supported, from industrial production or processing of hemp using decentralized decortication systems, to application of precision agriculture on farms as well, looking at Drainaker wines who have worked with very closely and supporting innovation as well. So those are some of the things that I could share with you on the topic of success stories that we've had through the project.
Nyoka echoes Taylor's view that collaboration is crucial to realize more green and circular economy type of initiatives.
Partnerships are very important because with this, it's if you're looking at the topic itself, it cannot be done by one person. Climate resilience cannot be achieved by a single individual or entity. So you need your policy players active in the space, you need your technology providers, you need your innovation, you need your research and academia also present in this. Because I'll just give you a typical example. As the climate keeps changing, technologies need to evolve. So research and development play a very strong role in actually identifying new technological options and actually coming to realize or commercializing those technologies. So with that, you can see the partnerships. We need policies that promote investments in the space. We need people that can actually do research and development. We need innovators that can actually develop new and introduce new technologies. So it's not a single person's job. It goes back to the African proverb around the baobab tree. Just similar to knowledge, the whole topic of resilience cannot be embraced by a single person. You need a collective effort to actually make significant strides towards moving towards a green economy.
That's Creamer Media's Real Economy Report. Join us again next week for more news and insights into South Africa's real economy. And don't forget to listen to the audio version of our Engineering News daily email newsletter.